Hello and welcome to the Quibber channel. You know, by the time this video goes up, it could be 30 degrees and sunny. But at the moment I think it's the 10th or something, around the 10th of... Why is she walking down the 10th of June. I've just sent a parcel off and I'm on my way to town because I've got to do a few things in town. I need to pop into my bank. Oh, that's a big puddle. And I need to go and see my thingy provider, my phone provider, to cancel a contract. So here we are. The normal British weather. And one of the reasons why I'm so fucking happy to have the Quingo. Okay. Well, at least my Quingo gets a nice clean. People joke about there being a lot of rain in the UK, but yeah. It's not really a joke, it is true. You're getting to see the weather in all its glory. Bounty, bounty. Bounty, bounty. I do love when it's like this because it means there isn't many people around and I can just be and enjoy myself without the emotional stress and worry about if I'll have to say hello to someone or if I'll have to... Oh yeah, I'm going to check something. It's okay, it's just these pavements are so lopsided in that, and this track. Sometimes it's hard to tell whether or not one of my tyres is going down, which it isn't, it never is. We're going to take a different way into Hanley because we went Hanley the other way a couple of times, so we'll go the other way. of course I'll stop the video before I get to the places I'm going to. Oh, how's a dog? Because, well, it's basic OPSEC. I never give out what bank I'm with, I never give out what my electricity supplier is, I never give out what provider I have for my mobile phones or my internet. Although the internet one's obvious, because that's easily found. But it's just basic OPSEC. Do I want to pop into Tesco again? The dog did like the ham and that I picked up yesterday. He actually ate an almost full meal over the day. It is so nice to be going out in this kind of weather with so much rain and that. This is going to be an interesting one now. I'm going to bypass this lot here and go on the pavement over here. Even the town's going to be more empty because of the rain, but anybody who doesn't have to go out will stay indoors in this weather. Although the rain and that doesn't really bother UK people as much as it would other people. I mean, the Quingo would be fine without the canopy on. It can handle the British weather without. It's the tiller and everything and the controls are pretty much fully proof of the normal weather, but I prefer it to be nice and warm. Visibility is not brilliant, but okay. This is the kind of weather that's worse at night if you're out on something like that. I mean, I stay drier even than a person in a car. Because in a car you have to get out and go into the house or get out and go around the town and that. So, let's go down the corner because I have to be quite. E. Means I didn't have to press any buttons, so I didn't have to open the side cabinet. It's amazing how nice and completely dry that this canopy keeps me. I don't think I need to pick up anything from Tesco today. It would just be a thingy going there for going there safe. So we're just going to get up here, turn the video off while I go and do my stuff in the centre of town, in the centre of Hanley. and then go from there. I'll turn it back on the way home. As I thought there wouldn't be a lot of people around with the weather like this. It's actually 16 minutes past 10 in the morning. Sure no cars are coming. One of the things that's sad about the length of time and that is the market up here in the centre used to be quite a few. I know there's some stuff here that actually has its own space, but every Friday there used to be a large amount of different places here, and one of them was a van which I know for like 20 years. And it was a specially set up van that had spit roast in front of like burners at the back. Same kind of thing you have with a when you're doing kebabs and doner stuff and that. But it had roast chickens and roast pork joints, and literally they were cooking on the back slowly over the day, and you can come and get yourself a wonderful pork or beef, even did beef, yeah, and chicken stuff. There was another one that just did the chicken spit roast, and there was one that did pork and beef and that, and it was all cooked fresh, just like there used to be a shop down at the bottom called Sexy Sue's. It's been there since the 70s, and she made the best foot-long pork or beef or chicken stuff, all made from fresh. Basically at night before she left, she would put on slow cook the chicken. So, I think where I'm going, but I wanted to come in here anyway. I need to sort things. It's a good time to stop. So bye bye for now.